There we go. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Oh, There We Go Outdoors. We got a fun day ahead of us. It's a nice afternoon, nice summer afternoon. I'm with my buddy Liam here. We're fishing out in Walworth County on a very small lake, and we're going for some bass today. What do you think? We're gonna catch some?
Maybe a few.
Maybe a few? Yeah, just a few. All right guys, stay tuned. Come on, fish. Got one.
Oh, you got one?
There we go.
Can I reel it?
Yep, I'm gonna reel in this guy and then you get the next one here. How about you net it?
That's a big bass.
How about you net it?
Okay, I'll get him.
Hurry up, get the net. Good job. Thanks, bud. Look at that. Teamwork.
He's a little fish.
There's a big one.
That's not little, that's big.
It's a nice bass,
I'll
huh?
put him up for you so you can take a picture for
Grandpa.
Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. Or else I could just use mine. Okay.
Remember?
Yep.
Really hard. Here, turn it so I can see it. Turn it. There you go. There you go.
Actually, I'm gonna do it like this.
There you go. Boom, baby. Go ahead, toss it back. Why don't you cast a couple times?
I'm not gonna get a hit.
Yeah, you will.
No.
Yeah?
No.
Well, it's not going to get a hit when you're sitting in the boat.
I'm waiting for something to bite.
Okay, well, why don't you help me out here?
Something jumped over there.
Yeah.
I saw it.
There we go.
Oh.
Oh, got off.
Oh. Come on. That was cool though. You hit it right both sides. Right?
Mm-hmm.
That was so cool. I was just right about to cast. Dad, I was right about to cast right now.
Mm-hmm.
I literally opened the bail and the fish started.
Well, why don't you fish, dude? They're biting.
I can't get it. I smell popcorn.
Maybe the camper is having popcorn.
No, literally, I smell popcorn.
Yeah, maybe they're making popcorn up there at the campfire. Liam, Liam, Liam. Reel.
Uh,
There he is. Hey, take it easy. Take it easy. Stop. 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 All right. Bring him closer to the boat. Oh.
Yes!
All right. Woo! I think you got the biggest one.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, that's the biggest one. What? Oh, that's definitely the biggest one I've caught. That's the biggest largemouth I've ever caught. We'll definitely send this to Grandpa. Let's send
Yep.
this to Grandpa and Mom. They'll go crazy. Now we're gonna head back.
Mm-hmm.
Home.
I can't get the thing out.
Come on, bud. Are you getting a little fussy? This bass is getting fussed. Okay. How?
Come on. Here, thumb inside. Thumb inside. Thumb inside. Thumb inside. Dude, thumb. There you go. Okay.
Go. It's bleeding. It's bleeding.
It's okay. Hold it up. Hold it up. Come on.
Come on. It's bleeding.
It's not the end of the world. Relax.
You're gonna die.
No, it's not gonna die.
Why is it bleeding? He's red and he's bleeding. Hurry up, he's gonna die. Come on! I don't want a dead fish on
You're
the boat.
not gonna, it's not gonna die.
Why is there blood all over the boat?
It's not. Oh, I'll get it. Don't worry about it.
Come on.
Here, hold it up. Ready? Look at my phone. All right.
Okay, we gotta get
Yeah,
it in
put it in.
He's bloody.
Yeah, we'll clean it up. Don't worry about it. All right, guys, that's it for today. We had 2 fish on the boat. Let's turn the light on so we can see Liam here. So we had 2 fish on the boat and had a couple caught on there. What'd you think, Liam? What do you think of night fishing?
Good.
We got that last one on towards the end of the night. It's just the bugs, right?
Yeah.
All right, guys, we'll stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.